went to my settings, I went to like my billing, and it just showed everything. I was like, oh, so that's what we're doing.
I hate this channel.
No!
Hey y'all, what it is, what's up, what's happening, but most importantly, what's popping. It is your girl CRAZYFORTAY, and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I'll be telling you guys all the things I wish I knew before starting a business. But if you're new to my channel, please make sure that you subscribe and like this video, and even leave a comment down below, and I will get back to you. And then also, if you want, follow me on my business page. It's gonna be over here. And then also, if you want to follow me on my personal page, it's gonna be over here. But without further ado, let's get into the content. So y'all, one of the things I wish I knew before starting a business is I wish that I knew that I couldn't count on people to support me. And I'm talking about like your close friends. Like I'm talking about them people that you thought was gonna support you, repost all your stuff, like shout you out, like go like full blown. And I'm talking about like I'm not talking about buying anything. I'm just talking about literally supporting you, like mentioning to their friends, hey, my sis doing this, like she got this going on and popping, you should go follow her. But no, you cannot count on people, you cannot rely on people to support your own business. Like you have to be your #1 supporter. You have to go out and get it and grind each and every day and each and every morning to the night, okay? And I think part of me was, I guess, like relying on other people to support me, and it's like I didn't really, when those people didn't support me, I felt kind of down, you know? Next thing that I wish that I knew is I wish that I knew, okay, y'all probably gonna think I'm a little bit slow, but my website host is Shopify. So I thought when I went and purchased a shipping label, I thought that, like, because my shipping is $4.90, so I thought that it took $4.90 out of what the customer paid me. I didn't know that I was gonna get billed like the shipping and everything, plus my monthly fee on, like, I get billed every, I think it's like the 22nd of every month, I believe. I think it's the 22nd, 21st. So I was kind of slow, and I didn't figure that out till like about a week in. And I like went to my settings, I went to like my billing, and it just showed everything. I was like, oh, so that's what we're doing. Okay. But no, it's like as long as you like set money aside and everything, like you just don't blow like your money on buying new inventory or buying this, then I mean you should be good. And that actually leads me into my next topic, or point I should say, or thing I wish that I knew. I wish, so this was kind of before I started taking my business seriously, I would just, you know, make some jewelry, make some money to buy what I want. Like I was not taking my business seriously at all. I was just worried about the dollar and getting what I wanted. Like that's all that I worried about. Like I would literally take, like, let's say, but at this time I was making like arm candy, you know, like the bracelets and you have all the charms on it. I would insert a picture on one of these sides, but I was making arm candy, majority arm candy at the time. And I would just take the money that I got from arm candy, and I would just take it and just go blow my money on like shoes and clothes. So yeah, and you can't really do that now with a business. Well, I mean, you can set money aside for the things that you want, but I set some money aside in my savings, some money aside for inventory, like, you know, to like restock everything, to buy new inventory, and then other money aside for things that I want. And also right now I'm working part-time. I do have a part-time job, so most of the money I get from there, I spend it on things that I want, because it's just like that little job is just like a little side hustle. So yeah, moving on. The other thing I wish that I knew was staying consistent. Staying consistent is really gonna help you. Not only is it gonna help you with your growth, but it's also gonna help you with your sales. I say this because people do not want to buy from somebody who's inconsistent. If you're not posting all the time, if you're not updating people like, hey, today's shipping day, or hey, the order's going out tomorrow, or hey, restock is on Friday, like if you're not informing people and if you're not keeping people in the know and you're not staying consistent, people will not want to buy from you. People will not want to follow you. So staying consistent is a huge part. I started my business page on Instagram like in 2019, 17. No, I started it way back. was 17. Yeah. And then by that time, I wasn't like really taking my business page seriously. I was just, you know, doing whatever. I was just posting here and there. I wasn't really staying consistent. But then when I relaunched my business this year of May 26th. Yeah, I'm so bad with dates. But May 26th, it was in the 20s. It was like in the 20s. But when I relaunched my business and when I stayed consistent, I started growing. Like, I gained, I was at like 257 followers, and then by the next month I had 1,000. Like, consistency. People love to see consistency. My next point is also find your sense of urgency. People, I didn't really know, well, I would say I didn't know the sense of urgency, but being a business owner, you are going to need a sense of urgency. People want to buy your product, but they want to get your product like the next day or 2 days later. So when I say be consistent and have urgency, make sure you have a day just set aside for you just packing and, you know, doing all orders in a day for shipping out orders, and let people know like, hey, this is your tracking number, or hey, everything's been shipped, like order numbers 160 whatever through 180 has been shipped. Like, find a sense of urgency. When somebody asks for a restock on this, try and get it done by next restock. Don't try and wait and put it off. And I think with me, I guess because I have so much going on, some of the stuff I do, like, I literally have to, because I just can't do everything in one big restock. Some stuff I do have to push back into the next restock, just because I play softball, I'm going to my senior year, and also I work part-time and I do trading. So I have a whole lot of things that's pulling me each and every different way. So I make sure that I have to keep my focus balanced, you know, between everything that I have going on. Another thing that I wish I knew before starting my business was I wish that I knew vendors like before I started. So when I first got started, I was just making, like I said, I was just making arm candy. Excuse me. So most of the stuff I was getting was like from Michael's and Hobby Lobby and everything. So, and my charms, it was just like from Hobby Lobby and Michael's and everything. So it was kind of, you know, it's kind of mediocre, but you gotta start somewhere. But I just wish that I walked in knowing some vendors, you know. But, you know, as time passed on and I gained some knowledge, I even purchased some vendors from some people. Now I do like I have 2 China vendors and 2 US vendors. So, yup. But I mean, if you need help finding vendors, I'm gonna insert my video how to find, you know, some vendors right here. Go ahead and click that. Oh yeah, and by the way, guys, let's you know, get my page to 1,000 subscribers. We are on the come up, you know. Let's just, you know, build this community. Like, I know that y'all want to be an original babe. Like, I know that y'all want to be an original babe. I know it. I know it down deep in your heart and in your soul. Like, do not see my page. Do not see my page. Taylor's Originals. Go follow it right now if you haven't already, and make sure you like this video if you have not already. But this was just a little part 1 of things I wish that I knew before starting a business. I'm gonna do a part 2 later. I think like when I guess my business gets a bit older, I'm gonna do a part 2 so I can bring, you know, some fresh stuff to you guys. But thank you guys so much for watching. I know this was like a quick little video. I have been struggling uploading consistently, so we're gonna keep working on that consistency. Thank you guys so much. I love you guys, and peace out.